Imagine waking up on December 7th, 1941, and the skies over Pearl Harbor bomb no explosions, no chaos, no attack from Japan. What if Japan never struck that fateful blow? How would the world look today if America stayed out of World War II a little longer? Buckle up, because we're diving into an alternate history that might blow your mind. On December 7th, 1941, Japan launched a surprise attack on Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, a U.S. naval base. Over 2,400 Americans lost their lives, and the U.S. Pacific Fleet was heavily damaged. This event shocked the nation and pulled the United States into World War II, ending its policy of isolationism. Before the attack, America was hesitant to join the war raging in Europe and Asia. Pearl Harbor changed everything, uniting the country and fueling its massive industrial and military power to help defeat the Axis powers by 1945. Without this pivotal moment, history could have taken a wildly different path. Let's imagine Japan decides against attacking Pearl Harbor in 1941. Instead, they focus their military efforts on expanding in Asia, targeting resource-rich territories like Indonesia and Malaysia, avoiding direct conflict with the U.S.-Japan's leaders. Wary of America's industrial might, choose diplomacy over aggression, negotiating trade deals to secure oil and resources. The U.S., still recovering from the Great Depression, remains isolationist. Without the Pearl Harbor attack, public opinion stays divided, and President Roosevelt struggles to convince Congress to declare war. America watches from the sidelines as Europe and Asia burn, delaying its entry into World War II 4 years. Meanwhile, Japan strengthens its grip on Asia, building a formidable empire without waking the American gent. If Japan never attacked Pearl Harbor, the U.S. might have stayed out of World War II until 1943 or later. Without America's early involvement, the Allies Britain, the Soviet Union, and others face a tougher fight. Nazi Germany could hold Europe longer, delaying D-Day and stretching the war. The Holocaust might tragically claim even more lives before liberation. In Asia, Japan's empire grows unchallenged, controlling vast territories. This could lead to a stronger, more advanced Japanese military, with better technology like improved aircraft or even early nuclear research. Culturally, American society stays inward-focused, with less global influence. No Rosie the Riveter movement or rapid industrial boom. Hollywood might churn out fewer war films, and the baby boom could be delayed. Daily life in America feels different, too. Without wartime rationing or mobilization, consumer goods like cars and appliances remain plentiful. But global trade slows as Europe and Asia struggle. The U.S. economy grows sluggishly, missing the wartime spark that fueled its rise as a superpower. By the late 1940s, a multipolar world emerges, with Japan, Germany, and the Soviet Union vying for dominance, while America lags behind. So, what if Japan never attacked Pearl Harbor? The world might be a patchwork of empires, with America playing catch-up as a global power. Could this alternate reality have led to a different Cold War, or even prevented it entirely? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.